how to reinstall IICS, the CDA or CA account. We have to follow some steps. It's very easy. Just to follow these steps to reinstall the existing account. If the account is going to expire, before that, you take the export. So just export it, export of previous asset. So whatever the asset we have used, it might be a mapping, connections, mapping task or task flow. All this you have to export it before expiry. So you have to export it before account expired. This one you have to export it. Okay, the first step you have to export it. How can I export the asset? Go to IICS. So here, runtime environment, right? So as of now, in my runtime environment, it is not up and running. It is starting up. But I will tell you how to uninstall and reinstall. Since this is CA account, we are not seeing that cloud hosted agent, right? Only local secure agent we are seeing. That's fine. That is what the setup now they are giving. So, but we can create cloud hosted agent. Now we can manage it. But how can I export it? How can I export? Go to this data integration. We have to export the previous object, right? Yes. I have given all the steps in my website itself. So this is the website. Go to IICS. In the IICS, I have given the installation step. Okay. Reinstallation. Yes. So here also I will update it. You can check it here. Go to this particular one and go to explore. So these options, whatever you are to export it, select this particular folder. Okay. This particular project, you have to select it, or if you have selected only default, yes, select this default. So whatever the project, so inside the project, you will have the folder, right? Before this account expiry, you have to take export. Just click on this 3 dots and then click on export here. The component, right? The assets will get exported. So click on export. All this will be exported as a zip file. One zip file will be exported. See here, export completed, right? Download this export as a job. Yes, is a zip copy all these assets. So if you go inside, we have the folder. Inside the folder, some assets I have, right? The similar way, this folder, the other folder, I will have assets. So based on this, so these assets I have exported. When we have to do? Before account expiry, we have to do it. After expiry, we cannot do the trial account. The real time we can do, but here we cannot do it. The trial account, we cannot do it. Okay, we export it for our next step. So every now and then, try to do export. So keep it in your local so that the copy, you will maintain it. Then just log out. Log out the existing one. We will create, we'll uninstall the existing one. We'll go for new one. Okay. The second step, we have exported the assets, right? We have to uninstall the secure agent and delete the folder. Which folder? The IICS folder from the C drive. Okay. So how to do that? Just go to control panel. Go to control panel, go to uninstall a program. Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. Just uninstall it. Click yes. Click on uninstall. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to uninstall. We'll wait for that. While exporting, the connections also will be exported without password. While importing, for each and every connections, we have to provide the password. Okay. In real-time project, the connection will be parameterized. While uninstalling, if you want to stop the service, just to go to services here, services. So this is the service. Just you can select the Informatica Cloud service. This is the service, Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. Just right click, stop it, and then uninstall it. It will uninstall quickly. So uninstalled. So it will ask you to restart your machine. Just to restart your machine. We have to restart it. So uninstall and delete the folder. Go to C drive, program files, Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. You can do shift delete. Okay. So delete this particular folder. Sometimes it will not get deleted. That's fine. If you restart your machine, again, if you are restart, again, you are deleting, it will delete automatically. So now we will follow the installation. So we have to follow these steps. So whatever the steps I have here, these steps we have to use it. So what is it? So first we'll go for, we have to create a trial account. So how can I create a trial account? Third step, create trial account. How can I create a trial account? So we have to search in the Google like Informatica trials. Just try with Informatica trials. Okay. Informatica trials. So this is the page, you'll get it. Informatica.com/trials. Just go to this one. So here, this is the place where we can create a trial account. Informatica is giving us 30 days trial account. Yes. So don't click on this start for free. So if you are clicking on this start for free, then it will ask the corporate email ID. So don't do this. Go a little bit down. You can see if you want CDI, cloud data integration alone, choose this free trial. If you want API lifecycle management, then use this one. If you want cloud data warehouse, then use this trial account. Data quality, mass ingestions, real-time integration. So whatever it may be, you want CAI, use this application integration and hyper automation, start trial. CAI, we will use this one. CDI, we will use this cloud data integration. Okay. So now we need CDI. So I'll go for free trial account. Yes. So for this, so this is free trial, free 30 days trial, cloud data integration we have. And this form we have to fill it up. So first name, we have to put our first name, last name, job title, work email. See, no need to put work email. You can put the personal email itself. So you have to create on personal email. So every time, do we need to create a new email ID? Yes, we have to create a new email ID. So just to create a new email, you can create a new email and then new email you can provide. You can follow the same steps which I have given here. You can click on the CDI. And if you need CI, you can provide this application integration automate hyper automation. Then fill all the details. You see here, I have provided all the details here. Fill it, all the details, and click on your start your free trial. Okay. So then we will get one email. So this way, in the admin, then we have to click on the verify me now. So you can find this particular page. So here we have to fill the first name, last name, all the details. So just I'm filling that first name and job title. So I can mention that. So just I'm mentioning the job title. So instead of in the work email, we can give whatever the email we have created. So or you can use your personal email account. So just I'm providing the work email account. So you can choose this option, use my email addresses, my username. So you can give user role. So we can give user role as administrator. You can give user role as developer. So whatever the role you want, you can give. So if you choose administrator, so you can provide a phone number. Just we can provide our phone number, the organization name. So you can provide the organization name. So no need to provide the current organization name. You can mention like student also. Then you can go for the country. So you can choose. So whatever the country and the state. So you can choose a state, city, and postal code and phone number. So everything we have to provide here. So just you can provide the phone number here. So phone number, organization name, so country, state, and click on start your free trial account. So after clicking on the start free trial account, you'll be getting this particular message. So congratulations on starting your trial account. So check your inbox for more information how to log in. So we can go to the inbox and you can see one mail we have received on email from IICS admin. So you can click on this link and you can go to this particular verify now. Click on this verify me now. Then you'll be getting this cloud. So you have to provide the new password. So you can provide the new password and confirm password and security questions. So you can provide the security questions here. So then submit it. So this is the page you'll be getting it. So you can go for don't show this again. You can just click on submit. That's it. Okay. So do you want to receive a update from IICS? No, I do not want. If you want, you can give yes. So then this is the page you will get it. See, as of now, I'm getting only 4 services, right? So why? Because the CDA account, now the trial account, they are giving only 4 services. CA account, they are giving 10 services. So if you have selected, if you have selected hyper automation, this option, application integration hyper automation, you will get 10 services. Now we're getting only 4 services. Okay, that's fine. So in order to practice the CDI, these 4 services are fine. Click on the administrator, go to administrator now. Administrator, go to runtime environment. Now you can see, since it is a CDI account, you will see Informatica cloud hosted agent, right? Yes, this agent is running on the cloud, Informatica cloud. So that's fine. We cannot delete this one. We'll keep it as it is. We have to install the one more secure agent, local secure agent. So download the secure agent. While downloading, copy this token. Okay. While downloading, copy this token. Click on download. So this will get downloaded. It will take some time to download, depends on your internet speed. Okay, so download it. Now we can click on this exe file. Click yes here. Then it is preparing to install. Just click on next here, install. So this is the page you will get it. So this is the option we will get it. The username and install token. Username is nothing but the email ID. Install token is we have to, whatever we copied, right? So that we have to place it here. So I'll go to this one. If you forget to copy it, again, you can click on download. You can copy this install token. Okay. Go to this one. So install token, I'm just using this, whatever we copied here, or you can generate a new token. That's fine. Then username. So just to give your email ID. Okay, that's it. So click register. It will get registered. It will take some time. The service, the secure agent is starting up, right? You'll get the secure agent is running. The agent core is running. Not all the services are ready, right? Yes. Based on our system speed, it will take some time. Just go to your page, reload this page. After installing the secure agent, just reload this page. So now you will get, this is hosted agent, cloud hosted agent. This is agent group. Inside the agent group, if you click on this arrow mark, you will get the secure agent here, right? Yes. So if this is not showing, just to zoom out, zoom in. You'll get this one. Okay. Zoom out, zoom in. You'll get this way. Okay. So whatever your system, based on your system resolution, you have to do it. So now I will go inside this secure agent. This is local secure agent. Go inside. You can check it is showing like all the services are now starting up. It will take some time to start up. We will wait for some time. Okay. So one by one, if you refresh it, one by one, it will be up and running. So you can reload the page also. You can reload the page or refresh the status. See here, one by one, it is up and running. It will take some time. If some cases, if it is not up and running, some scenario, if it is not up and running, just reinstall one more time the secure agent. Restart your machine, try again. If not, again reinstall on top of the same secure agent, give yes to all. Just reinstall one more time. Okay. Refresh it. Based on your system speed, it will take some time. Okay. Even it may take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or half an hour also. So one by one, the services should be up and running. If you are getting any warning or if you are getting any error, no worries, just restart your machine. So we have to get all the services are running. See, now it's showing like all the services are up and running, right? That means there is no issues. It will take some time to up and running. Just reload the page, check it one by one. But here it is showing like green color, right? Agent, secure agent, and all services are up and running. Okay. So that means we'll wait for some time. It will be up and running. Yes. So now all the services are up and running. You can see here, right? Yes. So we have created the account and we download the secure agent and we installed. Okay. So now you can go to the runtime environment. You can check both are running. Yes. So every time both should be running. So if it is not running, just restart your machine or you can manually restart each services. Just to go here, you can stop and restart. So here you can stop and restart it. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes, it will get started. If not, you can reinstall the secure agent one more time. Okay. So now I will tell you. So whatever we have imported, right? Whatever we have exported, so that we will import it. So 4 steps we have completed. The 5th step, import the assets from previous account. Before installing this account, before creating this account, we have exported, right? The previous assets we exported from our previous account. So make sure that before account expiry, we have to do it. Okay. So now I will import it. So if I'm going to import it, so straight away, if I'm going to import it, see here, I'm going to import, go to data integration service. If I'm trying to import it, I will get error. So what is error? I will tell you. So 0 asset as of now. I'll go to explore here. So this is what the project space and click on import here. Import. We are importing the previous one. Just choose the file. Go to downloads wherever you kept it. So now I will see these many export I did it. So this one I will take it. Earlier this week I have exported. So this one I will take. It has 3.46 MB of file. So this is a zip file. I will import it. So how many assets we have? So today 24 pages, 167 assets we have. Okay. So just I'm going to import it. Click on import. You will get the error. I want to show you the error. So what is error? You will get it so that you can understand, okay, why we are getting this error. So go to my import and export jobs here. This is import jobs. This is export jobs. We are importing now, right? So just refresh it. So here we are getting import fail. So why it is failed? You can go inside. So if you are getting import failed, you can check here. What is error? See, this object has been created, imported, right? But other object is not created. So why? We'll check it here. This error. What is error? Object script because of failures in required dependencies. Okay, some dependencies it has failed. So you will be getting, if import failed, you'll be getting this type of error. You cannot create a connection, right? You cannot create a connection. The license for connector Amazon S3 V2 has expired. These connections like Amazon S3, BigQuery, then business service. So these connections are related to advanced connections, right? Add-on connectors. So that we have to check it. So before importing, just to go to admin page, administrator service. So there we have to import all the add-on connectors. Okay. First we have to add-on connect. We have to provide add-on connectors because it will not add automatically. Go to add-on connectors. If you are getting any error, go to add-on connectors. So here you have to check what is the previous add-on connectors we imported. Okay. One is Amazon S3. So that I have used, right? You can use S3 here, right? S3. So click on start free trial. Because of this only we are getting error. This add-on connector, it is not available in this new account. Okay, S3. Then if you have used Redshift, yes, whatever the add-on connectors you have added in your previous account, that we have to import it here. We have to add BigQuery. Yes, I want to make it BigQuery here, BigQuery V2. If you have used BigQuery here, yes. So both you can use it. So I used only BigQuery V2. I'll use both, no issues. We can use this one add-on connectors for next 30 days. Okay. So Google Cloud Services. For the storage, I used Google Cloud Services. Google Cloud Storage. So this one, Storage V2. Okay, we have both BigQuery V2. This one I added. Then Storage V2. If you have used cloud storage, yes, use this one also. So whatever you need, just you can import it. Okay, Snowflake. I added Snowflake also. I will add Snowflake connectors. REST API. Yes, I'll go for REST API also. REST V2 connectors and Salesforce. Salesforce connector we have. So this one also we can add. So if you have used, so whatever the add-on connectors you have used in our previous account, that we have to import it. Okay, Salesforce. So now I added all the connectors. Now again, I will go to data integration here. I'll go to explore. Again, we will import it. Click on import, choose the file, and go to this file, select it. Now you can import it. So every now and then export it and keep it ready. So now I'm trying. Okay, after importing all the connections, not connection, after importing all the add-on connectors, just I'm trying now. It is in progress. It will take some time to load it. Reload the page. Okay, you can see here, import completed successfully, right? All the object has been imported. So if already exists, it will overwrite the existing object. So now it has been created. You can see here all the 8 pages we should have imported properly. See everything imported. If the existing object, it will overwrite. Okay. So now if you want to run any jobs while importing, it will not import the password. Okay. Connection password. So that we have to provide. So where should I provide the connection password? Go to administrator. We have to provide the password. Okay. Go to administrator, go to connections here. So these many connection I used, right? Yes. So for each connection, we have to provide the password. Okay, HR, this one. Use the password here. So why? Because password will not be imported. Go to edit. So provide the password and test it. Test connection is successful. Save this. Okay, similar way, other connection also. Okay, similar way we have to do for other connection. You should have other connection password as well. Test connection. The other connection password also you should have. Okay. And this is the way. And after importing, you are creating a mapping and you are trying to run the job. So this type of error we are getting. Okay. The students are coming back to me saying that this is not working fine. So what is that error? I'll go to one folder. I will run one particular table. So this one I'm just running. So this particular one will load every fourth record to target table. Okay. I'm just running. So while running, the connection we created on local secure agent, very first time after installation or very first time you are installing, while running, so make sure that runtime environment. If you forget to mention this runtime environment is local, since we created the connection in local secure agent, but while selecting, by default, it will select secure agent, right? Cloud hosted agent. If you are running with that, then we might be facing this error. If the connection is not available, we'll be facing this error. See here, I'm trying to run this particular mapping. I'm getting the error. So what is error? Connection refused. Verify the host name and port number. Unable to connect the destination driver. So this type of error we might be getting. So if we are getting, so two things. Okay, so one is we have given the wrong connection value. Okay, the other one is we have selected wrong secure agent while running, right? So go to this one, run again. Since we have created the connection in our local secure agent, so choose the secure agent is local secure agent. Okay, then try. Still, if you are facing error, then we have to check the connection. So why this connection is failing? So what is the target table? If the core connection is successful, test connection is successful, but while running it is failing. So this is the error. Okay. So now it is running. Success. It has loaded 26 record. So I hope you are clear. So how to reinstall, how to re-import all the objects. If you go to explore, so now you can find all the objects which is available here. So this is the way you have to do it. So I have explained everything. Please make sure that all these options. So these steps, if you are following, definitely you can install. You can reinstall IICS without any issues. If you're going for CA, so only thing is we have to choose the CA account. The other steps are same. Other steps are same. Only that options we have to change it. Okay.